Marhaba, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohanned Qassar, the founder of Kitabee Academy. So, as I've mentioned, we have 28 letters in Arabic, and I will share with you the sounds of these letters. Alright, so today we're learning the first set of letters. So we divided the letters according to the shape and the manner of the letters. So are they two-way connectors or one-way connectors? If you go to page number 2 on your book or booklet, so the letter J, it looks like 7 in English, but with a big belly, and we don't forget the dot in the middle. So that's the letter J. So this is the definite article, Al, and this is the rule of it. Now I want you to go and do the joining the letters, do the exercise, look up the meaning of these words. By the end of this class, you'll be able to read and write anything in Arabic. So congratulations. Al, A, R, B, B, Biya. Al, Arabiya. We'll finish up this course by a word search, a very fun word search. I pronounce you Arabic reader and writers.